Okay, I'm back at the Pratt Community Center, and this is going to be my final video here. We're not quite done yet, but it does give everybody a pretty good idea. I wanted to show you why we like doing this foam system over a gravel roof. If you remember in the last video, the guys were busy cleaning and prepping the roof. We scraped the rock back, trying to get in to see where we can find leak issues. And I want to show you pipe flashing here. Kind of first off, for example, you can see what we've actually done is come about 18 inches to 24 inches away from the pipe. We built it up in a taper system, and then we've again covered it white to protect the foam. We're going to sweep the rock back once this gets a little bit drier, back to where we haven't put foam on to protect the roof. But roof was leaking right around the pipe flashing. We took an area quite a bit bigger than that, fixed it. Roof should be dry. You can see we've done the same over here. But I want to take you over to a couple flashings as well, because as you recall, this flashing was leaking from about the center point here. And what I think was happening is it was actually leaking through the metal flashing right in here, and not the roof system itself. So what we did, we actually made this all one piece. Now we foamed this all together. This is an old flashing system, and at some point when they redo the roof, they'll have to raise the curb, maybe even take this out. But until the city has the budget to do that, we wanted to make sure this wasn't an issue again. And you can see we've completely closed everything in so water can't get in there. Again, moved about 18 to 24 inches out. So that's one of the flashings. And I want to pan over to this air conditioner. If you recall, the air conditioner was leaking. We thought it was leaking from this corner. You can see some of the bad structure that's still in there. But we've basically done the same thing. We painted it white up a little bit higher, but what we did is sprayed foam right up to where that curving meets up. So all of this has now been taken care of. It is basically acting as a new roof system. The acrylic's protecting the foam. Water would have to mitigate back about 24 inches. Because that foam expands like it does and it adheres so well, you won't see any water mitigation moving backwards. So this is what it looks like. It's one of the reasons we really like this system going over an existing rock and gravel roof. It can save a business owner or municipalities thousands and thousands of dollars, providing a great roof. Typical payback period on this roof is between 5 and 7 years. That's just on utility savings. So you can see some of the other work we've done around here. We've taken care of today about 25 leaks, done it in about a half a day's work, done it at a very low cost to the city, and probably realistically added about 5 years of life expectancy onto the roof.